Why would she do this? Why would she name Skylar Joplin as our baby's legal guardian?
How should I know?
It was a rhetorical question. Fish. Do you know something about this?
Jeez. Rex is my father. I'm the father. I'm the father.
You're as good as dead, Lawrence.
We will create the chosen one together, my daughter. I will give you a child. It's better this way. There's no tainted vessel involved at all. Our child will truly be our child. Blood of my blood.
But you're my father. How can we have a child together?
You need help. No, that's not what I meant.
Stay focused, Banks. You just gotta get up that mountain and do what you have to do.
What are you doing, Dad?
I am gonna make Mitch pay for what he did to you. And I'm gonna make sure that he can never hurt anybody else ever again.
What, by going after him in this blizzard?
He's got Jessica.
This was handmade for Stacy to wear when she delivered the baby. But her child was not the one that was meant to lead us into the future. Forgive me, Lord, for not seeing your true intention. Jessica, you and I put this to far better use when the chosen one is conceived.
He's the father. It's actually Fish.
Our car must have gone over the edge.
I can't see anything.
Yeah, me neither. But the smoke's coming from over there, so the car probably caught fire after it crashed. You know what? I think I can get down there and see what happens.
I'm going with you.
No, Rex.
Stacy could have been in the car.
Yeah, I just hope whoever it was is all right.
Jared, I need you. Jared, everything. Oh, God, it hurts so much. It's over. Must have just been one of those Braxton Hicks things. Everything's gonna be okay, baby? I'm gonna get you home. Safe and warm, and Daddy's gonna be so happy to see us. He's never gonna let us out of his sight. As long as Skylar didn't tell Gigi the truth.
Kevin's gotta be that way. Do you have some idea why Stacy would want Skylar to raise our kid in case something happens to us?
They must be close, right? Wasn't he her boyfriend back in Vegas?
Yeah, but Stacy hates him now. Skylar's the one who busted her when she switched those stem cells for Shane. Why would she want him to be our baby's guardian?
Maybe she found a way to forgive him.
Stacy is not the forgiving type, okay? There's no way she would put that kind of trust in Skylar. Unless
what?
I told you, Stacy hates my sisters. So in case you wanted to make sure that I didn't name Jessica or Natalie as a guardian, she... No, it makes no sense. You know something, don't you?
Like what? What can I know?
You know, you're a terrific cop, but you're a lousy liar. Give it to me straight. Did Stacy tell you something? Come on, Fish! What's going on here?
Rex, I smell smoke.
Hey, come on.
my sister way too much to risk losing her by telling her the truth. Of course, I guess he doesn't really know the truth, does he? Thinks he's the father. It's actually Fish.
A car must have gone over the edge.
I can't see anything.
Yeah, me neither. But the smoke's coming from over there, so the car probably caught fire after it crashed. You know what? I think I can get down there and see what happens.
I'm going with you.
No, Rex.
Stacy could have been in the car.
Yeah, I just hope whoever it was is all right.
Jared, I need you.
We must fulfill the prophecy. We must bring a child into our fold. And this new prophet will unite us and lead us. And will finally bind my family together. You, my darling daughter. My son Rex. Myself. And the chosen one. It is what God wants.
But I'm not sure it's what I want.
Don't hurt her. This is what must be. Jessica, don't fear the fervor and the passion that is in my blood. It's in your blood as well. And we are destined to pass it on to the chosen one. It'll be the greatest thing that you and I have ever done with our lives. What greater bond could there possibly be between a father and a daughter? I love you, my child, and you love me.
I think there's someone else I love.
You delivered that girl.
Charlie's life ended the day his son died.
Oh, God. Of course, I'd see you here. I see you everywhere, all the time, on the streets, in the park, in a passing car. And then I realize it's not you. Can't be. You're gone. But Mitch, he's still here. Still breathing. And that's what I have got to make right for you. For Jessica.
Why do you have to make it right for me? Like you said, I'm God.
But you shouldn't be. Damn it. You should be here. Living your life. Chasing your dreams. Starting a family.
It's what you always wanted for me. We just found each other again, Dad. There's so much we still don't even know about each other.
You're my boy. I'm your father. I'm
A murderer. Is that who you really are?
It's what I have to be.
Why?
Because Mitch stole everything. We lost everything because of him. Now we don't even have a chance to get to know each other. He murdered any chance that we had.
I knew you, Dad.
Yeah. You knew your old man, all right. The drunk, the pathetic, destructive. And it was because of who I was and what I did that Mitch was able to get to you. I was weak, Jerry. I know. And I have to be strong now.
By killing him. You really think that's gonna change anything?
You bet it will.
I'll still be dead. You going to be able to accept it then?
It's so cold, Jared. It's so cold.